I'm Chip Sparks with Circuit Brief. Let's flash through the latest tech news. Get ready because today's headlines are coming in hot from the world of AI, cybercrime, and the kind of updates that'll make every tech nerd lean in. Let's jump right into it. First up, OpenAI is dialing up the charm. They've just started rolling out a warmer personality for GPT-5, but don't toss out GPT-4o just yet. While this upgrade does polish some of the rougher edges, the new GPT-5 personality still doesn't quite hit the same cozy vibes that GPT-4o offers. That said, users of legacy models still have access to GPT-4o, so you can choose your AI sidekick based on how chill you want your conversations. Now swinging over to AI land once more, Anthropic, OpenAI's biggest rival, has updated Claude with a unique feature that taps into self-awareness territory. Claude can now end conversations on its own if it senses it's being manipulated or used for harmful tasks. That means if someone tries anything shady, like prompting it for dangerous info, it's now capable of closing the chat window, metaphorically speaking. It's like giving your AI digital boundaries. And honestly, we're here for it. Meanwhile, Google's Gemini continues its quiet sprint toward AI super assistant supremacy. The latest feature being tested is called Projects, a big step toward helping users manage complex research tasks all in one place. Think of it as a control room for all your AI-powered brainstorms, findings, and documents. It mirrors a feature from ChatGPT, but you know Google, they're likely to throw in a few extras and deep integrations. Keep an eye on this one. And speaking of smoke and wires, this one's for all the cybercrime watchers. The U.S. Department of Justice just seized $2.8 million in crypto from none other than an alleged Zeppelin ransomware operator. Yanis Alexandrovich Antrophenko may sound like a Bond villain, and let's be honest, the name fits. But it looks like law enforcement is catching up with dark web bad guys in a major way. A huge win for cybersecurity, and for anyone who's ever had to explain to their grandma why her computer suddenly asked for Bitcoin. All right, quick pause. If you're a digital tinkerer, power user, or just really like having 50 operating systems at your fingertips, check this out. The ultimate USB version 2.1 from bootableusbs.com is the Swiss Army knife you've been waiting for. We're talking 13 categories and 50 bootable environments, from hacking and forensics to dark web browsing, recovery tools, and even retro gaming. Whether you're liberating a locked system or reliving your arcade glory days, this drive's got your back. Grab yours today. Links in the description. All right, back to the headlines. We're not done with AI just yet, because it's clearly the season of power moves. With updates rolling out across the board and rivalries heating up between OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic, it's becoming increasingly clear that the next big leap in smart systems might not be about who's got the strongest model, but who's got the smartest features. Emotion awareness, project management, abuse detection. These AIs are going from tools to teammates. That's everything big from today. And tomorrow? Who knows? AI might finally learn how to make decent coffee. Chip Sparks, signing off from Circuit Brief, and I'll see you tomorrow.